Welcome to Microsoft Excel training. Let's study the methods of merging the cells we have selected in Microsoft Excel and making an average without merging. We have a table in this table. For example, we will add a title. To add a title, friends, select our row here and let's not add a row. If we do this, look, the table next to it is also shifting. What does not appear here is if we have tables, they are also shifting. In such operations, it is necessary to move the table one row down. There may be several different methods. I chose the title. Press the right button. Let's use the insert command. Our selected value in the insert window that opens is already the correct value. When you select the shift cell down expression and click OK, look at the table on the side without disturbing it. You can move your table down one row without disturbing your adjacent values. To center a title here as we know it now. For example, sales like this. After writing this in the list, I already select this region. And from there, click on the Merchant Center on the Home tab above and make this place the Merge Center, and my title is merged. This is a commonly used method, but it is not a very accurate method. Because, for example, let's add a line here. Look, I chose this region. I press Alt and let go. I press I, release it, and press R to add a line. And here, for example, Marmara. Let's add a title called Sales Representatives. Now we select this title and select it similarly from here. When you make the Merchant Center, we merged both here and merged here. Now look, there will be great difficulties in choosing these. You will have a headache when using them in formulas and functions. Because if you pay attention, you cannot select the exact values when going up from the bottom or going down from the top. Because the places where we merge and center, the places where we make Merchant Center, cause us problems. You shouldn't do them like this. I'm removing the join and middle here. I remove the join and middle in both places. I select the region where the titles are located. C from B1. Actually, there is A here. Let's do it this way then. Let's put these below by clicking a right button insert here. And let's set our sales list expression to A. I selected the region from A1 to H1. I press the right button. In the window that opens on the right button, we click on the Format Cells expression and open the Format Cells window. Here we come to the horizontal part of the alignment expression. In other words, in the horizontal alignment section of the Alignment tab, General is selected and the General expression is selected. When you select the expression center across selection, which is in the second row from the bottom, and click OK, when you press OK, you will see that your value here is centered and the cells appear to be merged, but they are not actually merged. Look, each cell can move independently from here. Similarly, let's do the following. Let's delete our value here and move our value there to the left, and I choose this place. Right button again. Another way to do this is here, friends. The same place comes up when you press the arrow in the bottom corner. You can bring this up by clicking Format SARS when you press the right button from here, or if you press the control keys on the keyboard. I'm talking about the one in the top row. If you press this, the same place will come up. In the window that opens, Format Cells, go to the Preparation section in our window, select the Central Extra Selection expression from there, that is, select the center expression among the selection, and when you press OK, you will see that your values here are centered. You can use this in your formulas and tables.